What's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. A little different video for you today. I know I'm always on the dyno, I'm making pulls, but a lot of you wanted to hear some sound files of the GT350. So we built a ton of Whipple supercharged G350s here. Today I had one in naturally aspirated for a change. Put a tune on it, and we put on American Racing 1 7/8 inch headers. And I have Doug with me, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fire the car up. It's just like a sound file video, let you hear what it sounds like. I'm gonna run it, I'll rev it up for you with the exhaust closed, and I'll open it up so you can hear the exhaust open. So Doug, why don't we go around the back of the car, if you don't mind, and I'll start the car up, I'll do some revs, open the exhaust up, we'll do some more revs, just so for those of you out here wanna know what the headers and mid-pipe sound like with the factory mufflers, this is it right here. A couple choices, you can get catted or non-catted. This car right here has a non-cat option. I'm gonna put links in the description so you can see, exactly the pricing on all this and what they look like. But enough of this, let's listen to this thing. I'll tell you, I think that thing sounds sweet. Of course, I like it open, but hey. So for those of you out there that want to know what the GT350 sounds like with American Racing headers, there you have it. So not a dyno video today, just a video out here in the shop. We installed these, and I thought, you know what? People may want to know what it sounds like. So if you wonder what this costs to get installed, of course, you can email quote@brenspeed.com. And I'm going to have links in the description. We have free shipping in the 48 states. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and notify. But hey, I don't know if you can see it right here, Doug, look, the stock engine, but it is running our calibration. Pretty easy to weigh to gain about 45 horsepower, 45 torque through the long tube header and the new calibration. We're running 93 octane on this car. And of course, we can tune for 91 octane as well, or 90. But hey, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.